Alright, this is how to change a battery for the Smart 2016 453. Just gonna take this off, expose this, and we're gonna remove these screws here. T27 and T15, and then we'll remove this panel. By sliding it out. And removing this one here. Here in between these two. There you go, it pops out. Okay. I have heard people that can take it out here already, but I'm just gonna remove these two and get this part out too. Here it goes with a 10. This one and this one. So at this point, with these two screws loose, I'm pretty sure you can bend these over like this and take it out. Now we're gonna get this out. Make sure you use a 13, not a T in the middle, but from outside, because it gets really tight and you might ruin the screw. There you go. The clamp is out. And now we're gonna take these screws here. There's two, already took one out. There you go. Push this to the side. Yeah, there you go. And then this one too. Don't forget to loose this one out too. Get that out of the way. Yeah, slide it out like that.